Welcome back to Cage Boys Garage. We're going wheeling. We didn't expect it, but there's quite a bit of snow on the ground, so it's gonna be really slippery. We got Grant, Isabel, got Grant's XJ, the two JKs, the Rubiton, and then Cherry. So this should be a good time. Zeph is taking the first obstacle of the day. We're gonna go get stuck. We're gonna get stuck. There you go. Holy shit. Holy. Wow.
Stay straight. You're perfect. Yeah. You're going to come down big time on the passenger side.
Your rock slider's hitting that rock, yep. Yep. There you go. You're over it now. Uh-oh. Punched him out. That's what rock sliders are for. Hell yeah.
Look at that. Right there. Dude, that brake line is like straight up.
Limit strap. Yeah, brake line, limit strap. All in one, I like it. Try it, you're already lined up. This is the hard part here, huh? This part's nuts. Swallows the 38. He's kind of stuck on that rear boulder. Holy crap. I can't believe it climbed that. Hell yeah. Back up.
Idea. Let's go do a couple other trails. Then we can come
Well,
back.
let it be known that you refuse to try this.
I'll try it later.
You have the biggest Jeep here.
I'll try it later after I don't have my whole day broken.
All right. This hill's pretty steep and loose. Look at it. I don't think if he makes it up here in two-wheel drive, then Lexus is king. Oh yeah, no problem. Go, 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 go! Oh no! It looks like we're gonna take a second try. You're done! One sec. I don't know what just fell off. A socket just fell out of your Jeep onto the ground. Holy crap, dude.
Pretty steep right here.
Yeah. Nope. This looks pretty cool, especially with all the snow on it. Hey, hey! Nice. Nice. Looking good. Yeah. Heck yeah.
A little bit right there is it.
Heck yeah.
That was awesome. That's
Good job, Grant.
good.
Grant's testing the ice for us. Oh, it's good. Maybe not. Oh, man. That's so cool. Whoa. Windows going up. Grant's gonna try this
Kind of the one that you failed last year.
gnarly V-notch. Yeah, me and my dad had a winch on this last year or whatever, so
I'm probably gonna finish it.
it's pretty. I'd be impressed if you make it up and over.
So how did you hit that?
You just have to be even and then just go right up it. So you hit the gas and just go up.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh! Whoa! Stop!
That's not good.
Stop! Stop! You should shut it off. Oh!
I kind of feel like
How did that feel?
kind of felt like I was part of the NASA space team about to take off into freaking space.
That's the most vertical I've ever seen a Jeep.
That was a little scary.
Holy shit, dude.
I thought for sure I was going over.
Me too. So, when Grant was going up that, you were off doing whatever.
Me and Brendan decided to get a little revenge against this slab. Well, I think this is going to be 2 in a row it wins. Look at my tire.
Oh,
We're
man.
stuck. You can't get down. And look how steep this is.
Oh, man. Guys, I actually can't even, like, walk on this.
Ow.
Yeah.
That tire is so wedged in there. You might lose that tire. This is one of our best trips. This is fun.
Yeah.
You guys are sending it today. Grant's Jeep is sliding down the hill. Oh! It moved. Holy. I think that's a testament to these Method rims, to be honest with you. And the STT tire. Holy crap, I'm actually very impressed.
That was a little scary when that let go. I thought I broke the rim.
I thought you broke the major.
Gonna try it in the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a good obstacle. Pretty legit. Try and go to that side of the tire. Passenger, 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 passenger. Go, go, go. Passenger, go to the right of that big ass tire. Hold on. Hold on. Your JK doesn't have the belly. Yep. Good job.
That obstacle's still harder than it looks.
Well, your belly clearance doesn't play well with it. Good job. Now we're gonna see the difference between 2-door and 4-door. The no front locker, it doesn't work. Yep. Nice. Yep. Yep. Nice. Okay, I would try passenger. Yep. Yep. Go, go. Yeah. Okay. A little bit passenger and walk. You should walk right up. Yep. Go, 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 go. Go. That looks good. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Now bump it. Heck yeah. Well, good job, everyone.
Thank you.
That was awesome. Good job, Grant.
Yeah.
Good job.
You did awesome on that one. Just whoop.
Last time we were here, Grant blew up his rear drive shaft on this hill. We're gonna see how he does now. So I was going up this hill that's really hard in 2-wheel drive, and I didn't realize that it got hard. So I tried to back down, and I slid into these trees and shattered the rear window.
Grant officially won the drag race.
Yeah, Grant won.
But with the minor minor issue. He's got a.
At what cost?
At what cost? I think he's got the trophy. Oh! Hey, see the crank in there? Yeah, better hold it.
This is what winning looks like. Right, Grant? You won?
Do you want me to drive it back?
You won, right?
I'll drive it back to the trailer right now.
Better be in neutrals because she's leaving. Well, see you back.
No oil in the 5.3, gonna drive it on the trailer. Pouring oil out. Rev limiter? No mechanical sympathy.
Oh, still got 25 pounds.
It's all over your phone.
Oh, yeah.
People on the internet are gonna be happy with that. Let me see, Grant. Oh no. All over the back of the Jeep, brand new fire extinguisher.
You're gonna have to air it
I'll
out.
just return it on Amazon. I just ordered it. Biggest jump. Literally.
So, Grant bent his bumper, bent the brackets, creamed the oil pan with the axle. I bent my steering pretty bad, hit my oil pan. I smashed the rear window. My dad messed up the cardan joint on his front drive shaft. It's completely coming apart. And Shorty didn't break anything. Thanks for watching Gage Boys Garage. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We broke a lot of stuff. This was an expensive trip for everyone. So, except for Shorty, yeah. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you liked the video, and get us to 1,000 subscribers because we need money to fix our Jeeps. So, thank you. Bye.